Hi, I'm Kelly Moore with Gehl, and talking to you today about the large V-Series skid steer loaders from Gehl. High-end lift, high height lifting, high productive machines. From the V270 to the V330 model skid steer loaders. We'll start out talking about the front end of the machine on these two loaders. Wide stance entry and exit with the over-the-tire design lift arm. A lot of visibility for the operator. We have twin cylinders, IHCP, induction hardened chrome plated rods on the cylinder, made to last longer, more resistant to rust and pitting and so forth. You've got a universal style quick attach system, either a manual control with a single lever oversetting latching system, or a power attach where a simple switch in the operator's cab can unlock the attachment, go on to the next attachment, re-engage it and lock it in place, and it's an all-season power attach for working best as well in the winter months. A big advantage of the Gehl V-Series skid loaders is in the unique vertical lift arm. Very high lifting, very high strength, a 4-finger or 4.5-inch wide approximately lift arm. A lot of steel and integrity compared to the other vertical lift machines on the market today. The strength and durability carries all the way to the back end of the machine. Large 2-inch pins to support that lifting and pushing and the movement of the mechanism on the lift arm. Machines will lift 130 inches, or in the case of the V330, over 131 inches of lifting height, among the highest in the industry in high-end vertical lift machines today. Further into the integrity of the vertical lift arms on these Gehl V-Series machines is the structure in the back. We don't use a tube that's bolted. It's plate steel formed particularly to fit the area and keep the integrity of the lift arm for day in and day out reliability for the owner-operator. From the back end of the machine further, we talk about maintenance and service with the large engine cover that opens easily with 2 gas springs that hold it in place. A latch opening up the big, large rear steel door that opens up full 90 degrees and more to give further access to the back end of the machine. We use a aluminum cooler that has triple cooling. You're cooling engine motor oil, the 50/50 antifreeze, as well as your hydraulic oil. Regardless of the attachment or the application or temperature, you've got full adequate cooling on your Gehl V-Series loader. In the way of the maintenance and service, you're able to get at the engine oil filter, your battery here on the left side, your engine air filter up on the top, oil fill, your engine dipstick for readily checking the oil on a regular basis. You have your hydraulic oil filter and engine fuel filter over on the right side. All areas accessible on the back end of the machine for the easy maintenance and service that needs to get done. An added feature on Gehl V-Series loaders is the counterweight bumper feature. And that is a large cast steel bumper that covers the whole width of the machine, protects the sides, protects the back of the machine. It's got a hole cast in the middle of it. As well, with the sheer weight of this counterweight, it adds 300 pounds of loading capacity, whether it be the option on the V270 or its standard equipment on the V330. So you have either 3,000 pounds capacity or 3,300 pounds of capacity with the counterweight in place. Further, on the V-Series machines, you have multi-control options. We start out with the Gehl T-bar hand-only control system. The intuitive T-bar for left-hand drive, right-hand lift and tilt function, and using the thumb for powering the auxiliary hydraulics. Then you go to the pilot joystick control, such as we have here on this V330. Adjustable towers with the joysticks, and very fatigue-free operation from the hydraulic pilot joystick. Left side drive control, right side your lift and tilt in the normal ISO control. If a customer likes the hand and dual hand style, that is available. or hand-foot style controls also available. Always operated with the true hydraulic pilot joystick in the Gehl V-Series loaders. So we talked about a lot of features and advantages, points here on these Gehl V-Series loaders, but there's many more to learn about. We invite you to stop in at your area Gehl dealership, take a look at a V-Series loader there, ask more questions on these great machines, or go online to gehl.com and learn further on the Gehl V-Series skid steer loaders. Thanks for watching.